Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat. Welcome to yet another interesting video on my YouTube channel. I am receiving a lot of love in this YouTube channel. Everyone I happen to meet says that they watch all my videos and they love all my videos. And also so much of love and positivity comments too. So a big thank you. I wanted to start this video with a big thank you. So now let's get into the video. Today in this segment, we are going to see what's inside my handbag. I have changed my handbag and completely changed my style of handbag too. So this is the updated what's inside my handbag. So let's jump right into it. I have a dusty pink shaded handbag. I find this bag very convenient because I can keep all my things, also very spacious. So my hands first got caught to the wallet. This is the wallet I carry everywhere. I try not to stuff too many things inside. Many keep coins and all the other stuffs in a wallet, but I don't keep coins or other stuffs in it. It would be very simple, just one debit card, my identity card and my business card. Also there would be some cash. That's all about my wallet. Next is the wet wipes. If I want to freshen myself, I use these wipes. Then some masks which are very essential in the current situation. Then one of my favorite thing, that is my makeup pouch. First that got caught to my hand is mascara, then eyebrow pencil, then lip liner. Next there are 2 to 3 lipsticks. Why lipstick? Because suddenly if I get to do shopping or visit a relative, I would look very plain. To instantly make me a bit pretty and fresh, lipstick is a beauty product that I keep. Both in lips and also I use it lightly as a blush. This particular lipstick is my favorite. So it's so good and it is very nude shade. Also I use this very often. Then I have a concealer, nail clipper, lip balm. So that's all in my makeup pouch. Then what I have is perfume, which is very important. These are like pocket perfumes. This is important not only for my sake but also for others' sake. Next I have some medicines. I started to carry this after this pandemic. And then I have a shopping receipt. I had many shopping receipts but I threw it few days back. Usually I don't keep sweets. But recently my sister gave me some sweets. This is the last one. She's the one always gives me sweets and doesn't let me to lose my weight. Hand sanitizer, which is very essential nowadays. Then if you are wondering what else is there, there is a small aloe vera moisturizing cream. And if I feel my hands are a bit dry, I use this a bit. Then I have a pin. Nowadays, wherever we go like to malls, supermarkets, it is essential to give our details. So I don't prefer using the pens they keep for the customers. I use my own pen. Then I have a mask holder. Next what I have is some safety pins and some scrunchies. I won't be having only one. I will have at least 2 to 3. Then finally, I have another moisturizing cream. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Jessie's Recipes. Also, don't forget to tell me what sort of contents you need in the comments. I'll come out with another interesting video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.